What's up, guys? It's Mark, the Mercado channel, man. Today.
Babe,
Oh, she's home.
our neighbor down the street, I think, has it says free on it, but it says interchanging blocks. I don't know, but it looked like for something you cut the wood with, like unique.
Yeah, I seen that. I think that's not what they're giving away. They're giving away something else.
Oh,
I seen
okay.
that right down over there.
Yeah.
What do you got for us? I was recording an intro and she ruined it.
Look at my trunk.
Yeah, she went dumpster diving this morning alone. We're gonna see what she's got in the trunk, if it's any goods, if it's anything bad, but I don't think so. She texted me like it was something good. So let's go see.
I got a couple things in my front seat.
Here we go. What could it be? Anything in the trunk?
Yeah, but look here first. This is not much, but I got this
Ooh, Johnson.
for the baby.
Johnson's baby lotion. Or
Yeah,
what is it, lotion?
What's wrong with it? Yeah. They
Awesome.
just threw it out.
Where's the next set of stuff?
And I got this that I've been talking about,
What is it?
and it's open because I
Oh.
opened it and took one.
Is it
was
like
unopened.
vitamins?
Yeah. I just opened it and took one. And it's good until September 2020.
Oh, wow.
And these are what I've been talking to him
Vitamins.
about
She
for a
needs
while.
vitamins.
I
So
got some gift cards in there.
gift cards?
Yeah, we'll see.
Oh my God, she's got more gift cards. That's awesome.
All right, so also
Oh.
there was some boxes of free stuff on the side of the road, and we plan on doing a tag sale, so I
Oh,
grabbed
this
some
is
of the
awesome.
stuff. This is
What we got?
croquet. I don't know. Croquet.
Spalding,
Croquet.
cricket,
You guys know,
player
you
set,
see.
and it's full.
Yeah, I think so.
That
I
could be
didn't look.
sold. Oh my
It's
God.
Spalding.
That's a super nice game, guys. That could be sold for like 10, 15 bucks.
I didn't see. It looks like the person was having a tag sale because there's some stuff that have things on
This
it.
is nice.
Yeah.
Little glass thing. What's
is
this?
A game
Ooh,
kind of like the one we have.
it's like Trouble.
It looks like, oh no, it's got all the pieces.
Wow. She's got some board games here.
Got Scrabble.
Scrabble.
I thought maybe we could play this one.
Wow. Nah, this is all getting flipped.
See?
Wow, and everything is there. We got Scrabble, guys. You know, people love Scrabble. That's an original game.
Yep.
What else?
I don't know what this is. I've never heard of it.
Aggravation.
Aggravation.
I have to look these up on eBay, see how much they're selling for.
But everything's in here.
Everything's in there. That's so awesome. It looks in good condition, too.
See?
That's awesome.
So this is what I got from the CVS dumpster. Look at this is
Wow.
open, but there's like this is not used, so it must have been returned.
Yeah.
Or something. I don't know if this will sell, but I just grabbed it.
It probably won't. Nobody's
Oh
gonna.
no, I think it was used. Now that I'm.
Yeah,
doing
you could
this.
throw that out.
Well, anyways, I got this.
What is that?
Makeup.
Eyeliner?
This was just open. Like, you know how sometimes people open it at the stores?
Yeah.
I got this lip gloss.
Okay.
Oh no, this is brow. This is for your brows.
Mm-hmm.
I got this for shaving.
Hot shave.
I got 2 deodorants.
Wow.
They're a little dirty. I got a Neosporin. It was brand new in the pack. I threw the pack out because I thought we could keep this.
Neosporin.
I got this from CVS. I don't want to break it.
Let's see. What is this? What is
It's
it?
a wreath for the door.
Oh, you're gonna put it on the door?
I don't know, or sell it. I got it from
People
CVS.
buy this?
Yeah.
Huh. Looks nice. Wow, that's a
then
pretty good haul. Let's see what. Oh my God,
this
she still got more
Was
stuff.
from the free stuff.
Okay,
This is like a serving dish.
that's nice.
Look
A
at
sun.
Maya. Yeah.
Look at Maya.
And then these are a bunch of dishes that I figure we could just sell at the tag sale.
Yeah, we can sell this. People will buy this in a bundle.
Now, the thing about the CVS dumpster is there's tons of stuff, but the dumpster is so tall. I had to jump on the dumpster.
Oh man.
And I couldn't, if I jump in, I can't get out unless I have like a stool or something. So that's something I have to do when Babe comes with me but I grabbed everything that I could off of the surface. But
Dude,
there
you
was
did
so
good.
much.
She did so good. She brought a bunch of board games, some good stuff, honestly, that we can sell and keep.
Yeah.
So that's awesome.
That stuff was from CVS too.
Nice job, babe. Wow. That's a super good haul.
Are you gonna help me?
Yeah. I'm going to help her bring this in. Look at Maya. It is cold. It's the baby right there. Yeah.
Yeah, and
So
I
let's.
went to the Walgreens
Let's bring this stuff in.
I went to the Walgreens dumpster and it was even more. I seen videos on YouTube of people saying Walgreens is so wasteful. So I went there and it was so much stuff more than CVS, but they actually locked the dumpster. So.
All right, guys, we're gonna get inside and bring all this stuff in. I wish I could have got some footage of you at the dumpster, but hey, it is what it is.
I know.
Want me to open the door for you?
Yeah, please.
All right. Woo. Are you excited with what you got?
Yeah, I'm happy. I've been telling you that I want to go to the CVS one.
That's awesome.
Now just think on the different times what's going to be there.
Yep.
That's a lot of stuff.
There's more. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching our video.
That's gonna end it.
That was a quick video. I forgot to bring the tripod to show you guys what was in the dumpster, but you will see it next time.
You did see she landed a bunch of board games. She landed some extra stuff. And just anything that's free is always good because now we could just sell it, make some money out of it, and really it just didn't take much time. But yeah, the next dumpster diving video, we're definitely going to bring the camera in the trash. We're going to dig through stuff and it's going to be a lot better because we're going to go to multiple stores. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, guys. See you guys into the next video. Peace.